What if I told you an owl can hunt in almost complete darkness and hear prey you can't even see? Owls have some incredible adaptations. Their huge eyes help them see in very low light, while their facial feathers help direct sound toward their ears. But here's the crazy part. Many owls can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees, and their specialized feathers allow them to fly so quietly that their prey may not hear them coming. Silent flight, incredible hearing, and night vision. Owls are basically nature's stealth hunters. Subscribe for more amazing animal facts.